What's up, guys? Nick Rasmussen with Left Coast Hauling. I just want to make a quick video. I have been working real hard on getting a new truck for our business, and I'm finally ready to say that it's ready to go. Super excited. I put together a cheesy little slideshow for you guys with some garbage music. But anyways, I hope you like the pictures. Drop me a like, comment, let me know what you think. Thanks for all the support, family and friends, clients. You guys are awesome. Thank you.